Hey my lovelies, welcome back to week 2. How did those lists feel? If you felt a little cringe while naming the things that you received, that's exactly why we are here today. We are doing extractions. We've been walking around with invisible contracts in our pocket that we didn't even sign. We've been allowing situations to drain our energy because we haven't declared our worth as non-negotiable. In step 2 of healing the mind, we learned that boundaries are not polite requests. They are declarations of self-value. Many of you have been polite with your lack. You've been polite with people who steal your momentum, drain your energy, and make you compromise on your standards. You have a past contract that says your worth is tied to how much you give or how much you struggle. But your worth is inherent, and we must protect our energy like it is our most valuable asset, because it is. Every time we deflect a compliment or downplay a financial win, we are violating our own internal standard of respect. We are basically telling the universe that I don't actually value myself enough to hold this abundance. And just a few years ago, it was hard for me to take a compliment. It was hard for me to enjoy the abundance that I was actually living in. I always felt like I needed to do more. I needed to have more. I didn't have enough. I wasn't enough. And it wasn't until I realized that just being my genuine, authentic, autonomous, unique self, that in itself is enough to feel worthy of all of the abundance I desire. So week 2's challenge is, as you name the 3 things each day this week, I want you to pay attention to the resistance. If you feel guilty for receiving something easily, that is an old contract. I want you to write a new contract for yourself. When the universe gives to you, do not apologize. Your new non-negotiable standard is emotional honesty and the capacity to say thank you without a but attached. Let's get back into the flow. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. I post every Saturday at 9 a.m. Also, if you want the workbook, it's in the description below. It is also in my bio. And you can also find the Discord there. So come on and join us in the sanctuary.